Alright, it is time to get ready for work. Shout out to Celsius. Good morning, it is time to clock in. This is how we start off our day. Here is the car that I deliver in, and it is my Toyota Camry. Just like that. Alright, here you have the envelopes all organized in order from least to greatest. And in the back too. Work is fairly easy. We already have the next packages ready to go. I have one more in the back and it's ready to go. Amazon Flex tells you everything that you need to know and where to go. Really easy because you can line everything up just like I do. Now we can get ready for our next stop. See right here, everything is all lined in order. That is it for today. We're just gonna relax. I'm gonna edit this video, call it a day. Shout out Celsius.